Let's talk about white balance. This is often one of the first tools I go to after doing my basic image adjustments. I think really what this is about is making your images and like the color tones in them feel realistic. So this is an outdoor shot, but often when you take a picture in mixed light or when you take a picture indoors and things don't look quite right, it's often because the white balance is off. And so this is how we can correct it. If you're a little bit intimidated by this, one of the easiest things you can do in this tool is just to select auto adjust. That'll generally make pretty minor adjustments that aren't too drastic and will get you closer to where you want to be. What I often find is that if it still doesn't feel quite right, the direction it goes in is often an indicator of like what the right direction those things might need to go in is. Another thing you can do here though is, let's say we reset these, is that you can use this neutral color selector to basically pick a point in the image of white that you think is feeling most realistic. And then all of the parameters in here will be adjusted based on that. Now, let's talk about what these parameters actually mean. So we have temperature and we have tint. Temperature controls the blue to yellow balance or range of an image. Okay, so if I change it, you can see I can make it like what people would say is cooler or warmer by bringing it up into the yellows. And then tint controls the green to magenta balance. So if I go this direction, you can see I'm going more into the greens. And if I go this direction, you can see that I'm going more into the magentas. The other place where people commonly use white balance is to make skin tones feel more realistic. So in this image, I feel like my wife's skin tones are looking maybe a little bit overly warm. And so what I would do in this selection is just bring down the temperature a little bit to make everything feel slightly more true to life.